Okay, we're going to create a assembly of block A. You should have all your 5 parts made. We're going to go iPro, New, Standard IAM. Double click on it. Or click Create. Now when you start this project, we're going to place our items. So you have to actually change this drop-down menu to Place. And you need to find your folder where you have your items. So we need to bring in our shapes. So we have a cube. We're going to open the cube. We're going to put one cube by clicking once, a second cube by clicking twice, and a third cube by clicking 3 times. I'm going to hit the home key on the keyboard so it zooms out. I'm going to place cube with hole. Place that up here. I'm going to place a third object, a triangle. And our last item we're going to place is a cylinder. Okay, you can hit escape on the keyboard. We have those items. Now the first thing you need to do, these pieces all can move. So we have to click on the center one so it's blue and right click on it and say grounded. So it does not move. Okay, I can't move it. So we're going to constrain. We have 2 things to constrain. We have a mate and a flush. So we're going to connect these blocks together by going mate. We're going to go the right side, mate, to the left side of this block. They connect. Hit apply. Now they're not level, so we have to flush them. So I'm going to flush the tops. This top to this top. And if you look real closely, they're not quite lined up all the way. So we have to flush the fronts together and apply. Now I'm using this little house over here. I can click on it and move it around to rotate. And I can click this home house view to go back. Now we have to connect this block to the top of this block. So we're going to go mate. And at any time, pause this, rewind it, and rewatch. We go top to the front of that, and it rotates it. We hit apply. We go to flush. We flush the right sides. And we actually have to flush the fronts. Okay. Next thing, this cube. So we go right side, and we can click this front side of the cube, turns it, apply, and we have to flush the fronts. Apply. Don't forget to hit apply. So now we have to rotate, hold that and mouse button, rotate up. We need to flush the bottoms. Okay. Next thing is to figure out how to get this triangle lined up there. So we have to turn it. Now in order to turn it right, we want to flush the bottoms up. So we're going to go back underneath here, flush these 2 bottoms, and they're connected at the bottoms. Now we want to turn this so it slopes away from the front view. So we go mate. We have to mate the right side to the back of the triangle if it's facing my way. So that's going to turn it. Depending on how you made your triangle, you may have to select a different view. You hit apply. If it doesn't work, you hit the undo button and try it over again. Now what do we have to do? It's not quite lined up. You're correct. We have to flush the fronts. Apply. And flush the bottoms. Good job. And our last thing is this cylinder. So we got to stand it up. So we go flush the tops, and it should stand it up. We hit apply. Now this is something new here, tangent. It connects a line to a circle. We hit apply. A line to a circle. If it's not the right way, we go, oh, didn't work right, so I hit cancel. You may have to move this because it's sliding here on here. So I'll slide it closer. I'll go back to constrain, I'll go back to tangent, and I'm going to tangent this to the surface. And if it doesn't work right again, you hit inside or outside, and it will switch, apply. So that might be the tricky one to do. So if you need any help, call me over, and I will give you a hand. We need to save this, so you have to save it as block A. Hit save, and now you have to complete 2 more. I have examples on the counter by the keychains. So have fun.